Why do budgies stand on one leg? Reason budgies stand on one leg. Prefer sleeping on one leg. If a budgie is holding a foot up, it does not have to be a sign of concern. You might automatically assume the budgie is injured, and that is why it refuses to put weight on one foot. Yes, this is possible, but it is often the least likely reason for a bird to do this. Instead, the more common reason is a birdie's preferred sleeping position. Some birdies will prefer standing on one leg while sleeping. They like being in this position because it's cozier and it helps keep them stable. They do not get the same comfort from resting on both legs. To verify this, you can take a look at what time of the day your budgie does this. If it is late at night, then this is the most likely reason for this type of behavior. Helps preserve heat. Is it cold inside the birdcage? Depending on where the birdcage is located, the temperature might be the reason for the budgie action in this fashion. They might be feeling cold and want to preserve body heat. This is done by tucking the other leg closer to the body and using this as a way to preserve body heat. It is normal for a budgie to do this during the colder months because the temperature does drop during the night. Of course, you should always regulate the temperature where your budgie is located. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching. And please order my calendar. The link will be in the description down below. And please share. Thank you.
right. Bohemia.